Hello friends, let's create this Venetian blind wipe text effect and let's get right into it. I place the animated image on my timeline and the text, as you can see. So now we go to effects, and in the effects library we go into the wipe department and choose for the Venetian blind wipe. We drag it and put it at the beginning of our text. Now we can close the effects library, put it a little bit further in the middle, and let's go a little bit further in. Make sure that you select the transition and open the inspector. If it isn't open here, upper right corner, inspector, then it should look like this. For this text, I found that the repeat pattern of 16 brought me the best result. And you can change the angle to your liking. It can have a very nice effect. Personally, I keep it for this example at 0. And then I'm going with the border, hit the feather as I usually do. And then I play around. I zoom in a bit here to see better what we are doing. And then I play around by dragging very delicately so that it looks really shadowy where the parts of the letters touch each other, so that it really looks. So I'm going to set the ease on out. I explained earlier why we choose out at the beginning and in at the end. I hold Alt on my keyboard and then I mouse drag the transition to the end. Here I change the entire thing to in. And the best thing is when we look at it in full screen. Here you have it. So I hope you experiment around with this and have great results. I thank you very much for watching. Have fun with the rest of this playlist and I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.